To arm your Sonitrol intrusion system, you simply hit the Arm Disarm button. You enter your code, press the Enter button, and the system will go through a series of checks while arming up your system. Once the system is armed, it'll display armed. The keypad will count down to give you 30 seconds to exit the building before the system is fully armed. Now your system is fully armed. To disarm the system, press Arm Disarm, enter your code, press the Enter button, and the system will display Disarmed Ready, which means the system is now disarmed.